Mons is pleasing, noble and humble and of charming appearance, and she does honor and welcomes willingly the good men and shows them beautiful warmth. And her body is young and beautiful and good, and her words and her deeds and her looks are loving. Wherefore, I want to honor her by speaking well. And since God has put her in such a path that in her worth we all have hope, I pray her to carry her banner so straight that she doesn't give her friends grief or sadness. For once any banner is seen to turn or fall, no one trusts him afterward or his companions, and the enemies give themselves joy over it. With what reasons
and with what sense
Nadonella makes the good men love her
and makes her honor increase.